Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. So as we are discussing fifth lesson, the happy field textbook bits, let us continue the remaining bits. Page number 56, B bit, we have to start. Complete these sentences with the words from the text. First one is, the flat field was covered in grass. The dash loved the grass. Who loves the grass? Cows. Very good. C-O-W-S. Cows. Next. Second is, when the flat field grew a hump, a dash appeared. What appeared? Hollow. Yes, very good. H-O-L-L-O-W. Hollow. Next. Third. Dash and dash came to live in the lake. Who came to live? Yes, ducks and geese. D-U-C-K-S, ducks, and G-E-E-S-E, geese. Ducks and geese. Next, fourth one. The river ran towards the dash. S-E-A-C. Fifth, the field squeezed dash out of the grass. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Very good. Next, sixth one. The flowers had the colors of the dash. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Okay. So, well, C and D bit is not necessary. Let us see the grammar part. This grammar is related to the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. This separate video grammar part will be given in the coming video. So, please do watch the complete present continuous tense part. Okay. So, the sun is shining down from the blue sky for many hours now. Is shining here is nothing but present continuous. But when do we use present continuous? It describes an action which is going on in the present as we speak. Suppose I am teaching. You are listening. Are listening here nothing but present continuous. Which is going on now in the present, right children? So what is the form of the present continuous tense? Am, or, is, or, are plus verb plus ing form. Suppose I am eating. I am eating. I am eating. You are reading. Okay. So this present continuous tense you have to use in the coming bit. Suppose, let us see now. A bit, complete these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the verbs in the box. So here is the help box. You can take the word and you can write in a box, in a blank. First one, mother is reading the newspaper. Is reading here you have to underline. Okay. So second, Rahul dashed the ball into the goal. So which one is suitable here? Kick. So but in present tense what we have to use is kicking. Rahul is kicking. K-I-C-K-I-N-G. Kicking the ball into the goal. Third one, the bird dash in the sky. The bird, what it will be doing in the sky? Fly, right? Yes. So in the present continuous tense you have to use is flying. The bird, only one bird, so we are using is here. Is flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. Okay, fourth one. Smita and Priya dash their favorite show on television. Here two persons came. So we have to use are, and what they do? They are watching. So watch, present continuous form is watching. Are watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G, watching. Next, fifth one. Zainab dash a glass of milk. Nothing but is drinking. Is why we are using? Because only one person, Zainab, is drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking glass of milk. Sixth one, grandfather and I dash fruits from the market. Here grandfather and I, two persons came. So we have to use are, and what they are doing in the market? They are buying. B-U-Y-I-N-G, buying. Okay. Next B bit. Rewrite these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the verbs in color. So whatever the words in color, they are verbs. Verbs are nothing but action words. I walk. Walk nothing but chalna. So you are doing some work, right? I walk to school. But this walk you have to convert into present continuous tense. How you have to do? I am walking to school. In this way you have to write. Okay? Whenever I comes, you have to use am. I am walking. Second, Sam climbs the stairs. In the present continuous, you have to just add ing and these verbs is, am or are. But here Sam, only one person, so we are using is. Is climbing, C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing the stairs. Third, the tap drips. So what you have to use in place of drips is dripping. The tap is D-R-I-P-P-I-N-G, dripping. Very good. Next, fourth one, the ship sails on the sea. In place of sails, you have to use is sailing, S-A-I-L-I-N-G, sailing. The ship is sailing on the sea. Next, fifth one, father drinks hot tea. In place of drinks, what you have to use, children? Yes, very good. Is drinking. Why we are using is? Because there is only one person, father. Father is drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking hot tea. Next, sixth one. Tony sings a song. In place of sings, what you have to use? Yes, very good. Is singing. Tony is singing a song. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Okay, children? Did you understand? That was the present continuous. So easy. Practice well, okay? Now let us see this bit. Vocabulary part. This grammar fun is not necessary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary words, what is containing here now? Compound words. Compound words, how we have to know? Compound words are nothing but we can join some words together to make compound words. For example, sun plus light equals to sunlight. House plus boat equals to houseboat. These two words we will join. So it will become compound words. Okay. So match the words in A and B to make compound words. Suppose what we have to match here, break plus dash equals to breakfast. Yes, break plus fast, F-A-S-T. So first one is D, you have to match. Second one, news, paper. Yes, very good. Second one is G. Third one, time, table. Yes, third one is F. Fourth one, popcorn, popcorn. Fourth one is A. Fifth one, black, B-L-A-C-K, black, board, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. Fifth one is H. Sixth one, bathroom. Sixth one is C, R-O-O-M, room, bathroom. Seventh one, handbag, H-A-N-D, hand, B-A-G, bag. Seventh one is E. Eighth one, P-L-A-Y, play, playground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Eighth one is B. So well, I hope you have understood. That's all. We'll stop till here, page number 59. Remaining bits in the next video, children. So till that time, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.